In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily make or create a desktop shortcut in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the start icon, tap on it, and when you try to add a desktop shortcut here, let's say for example, if you would like to create a desktop shortcut for this booking.com, when you try to make a left click and when you try to drag that here to the desktop. As you can see, it's not added here. Okay, so let's try again. When you try to hold it and drag it here to the desktop, you can see that it's not adding. So in order to add or create a desktop shortcut, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there all, click on it, and from here you can choose any of the application or file folder that you would like to add to the desktop. Okay, so let's say for example you would like to add news. All you need to do is you need to navigate it here, and in that way you would be able to create a shortcut for news here in your desktop. Okay, and if you would like to add another program or application, navigate the same process, click on all, and this time just scroll down and select any of this one. Let's say for example you would like to add get help. Okay, just drag it here and eventually it would be added here. Okay, so that's how easy actually to add or make a desktop shortcut here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on creating a desktop shortcut on the application that you would love to create a shortcut with in the desktop. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.